tonight, but this is the granddaddy of them all, in the sense of looking at, the biggest truck Mack make today is a Titan, and I guess the hood you can see down, the bluish one, well, the one side onto us is the current hood, fairly slopey, I guess a contemporary design, but as Don alluded to before, over time, Australia is a different country, and we want to be able to take advantage of the length and the weights and the roads that we've got. So I guess a couple of entrepreneurs have got together and put a lot of good thought into making a big truck look like a big truck. And what really is taking aspects of Mack, and I guess anyone's got an R model can tell the top of the bonnet, anyone's got a value liner can see the headlights, and anyone's got a super liner can see the guard. So I guess it's picking up the heritage as well as going forward and making sure that's a truck that's got a lot of road presence, I'd say is the right word. And so that's it. In its prototype stage as it is, big grills, big bonnet, lots of presence, and I guess ultimately it'll look like something like that. And so I guess we're using the term a new champion breed. I think it's a fair call for a Big Mac. So it's what's in space, not that far away, but I think that's what you'll see very, very shortly, or something like that. So if you want to know more, there's a couple of people in the room who can tell you more, but you better see me first. So thanks on behalf of the guys here tonight. I guess Don and I have worked together for many years, and some of those projects are well before my time. But I guess we've had great privilege of doing the Sully Cross, and I guess I'm very proud to be a part of this little exercise, or big exercise, a little exercise to build a big truck, I should say, and look forward to seeing what the future will be with something like that coming down the road. And people know what a Mack is.